Hey guys, Chris here with this 2003 Mitsubishi Montero that's live right now on Cars and Bids. Just wanted to go over the key situation. So this car comes with keyless entry. This is the original fob Mitsubishi for lock, unlock, and there's a panic button too. So if you're out off-roading and you're on a crazy trail and you get stuck and you're by yourself, you can press it and maybe someone will come find you. So our other company is the Keyless Shop, and we program keys and remotes. So I programmed 2 more key fobs because this one's starting to kind of come apart a little bit. It works, but it's just the case is loose. So I programmed 2 more of these, which are clones of the OEM. They do the same thing: lock, unlock. This doesn't work because it doesn't have a trunk feature, and then the alarms on the back or the panic button. So you got 2 keys, and just press it once, it'll do the drivers. If you press it twice, it'll unlock the back doors too. And then this is the other one as well that we programmed in. So those are the 2, and then the extra key. So that's the 2003 Mitsubishi Montero. Thanks for watching.